Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno6 5G and I will show you how to apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So we need two things: quiet place and also the good lighting condition. As you can see, we can spot on the display few fingerprints and other greasy mark, so we have to remove them. And right now we have to open the box with the glass. For sure we will find here the glass, and also we can find here these two wipes. As you can see, we got the wet and the dry, and the first we are start with this one. And you have to make moves like that in the circle. And after a few moves, just take a look, we easily get rid of all of this mess. So right now we have to remove this wet marks and open dry wipe to make it. Okay, and take a look. Right now we prepare our display and we can apply the glass. And by the way, as I forgot to mention that, but you can spot the foil on the screen, the default foil. You can stay with this foil and apply on this foil the tempered glass, but you can also remove this foil. You can decide. Honestly, I'm going to improve protection, so I'm going with two protections, like the foil and the glass. So when you are going to apply the tempered glass, we have to remove this sticker. So grab it and then easily remove. Do it slowly. Put it here. And right now we have to be also sure that there is no any piece of the dust. In my case, everything is fine. You have to keep holding the bottom part and put the glass just like that. Okay, and you have to remember that we have to put it evenly for both edges. In my case, everything is fine, so I can put my finger here and release the bottom part. And take a look right now. It goes automatically. We can press with the finger to make it faster. Oh, let me just catch focus. And take a look. We apply the glass, but we have to also remove this kind of the marks that we can find here, here and here. It's the glue mark, and how to remove them? That's simple. You have to press with your finger, and as you can see, it will disappear. So we can make it with finger, but also we can use this dry wipe, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So let me just remove them. Okay, right now I'm going to turn it the phone and take a look. We easily get rid of all of these glue marks. If you still have a few of them, don't worry, they will disappear after a few days. So right now I'll show you that we don't have any problem with the touch interaction. So you don't have to be afraid of applying the glass on the phone. And as you can see right now, we can start with the first setup. And that's very simple. And as you can see, there's no any problem with the touch interaction. So that's how we can apply the glass on your OPPO Reno6 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.